Guys, today we are making for the stuffed chicken to one wonderful. You can see all chef is preparation. This is our Mahavir chef.
शाला नाम था नहीं मेरे पास
Dandir chef. Yes, today also prepare the stuffed chicken. You can see how is wonderful. Very special. You can see more coriander leaf to make the flavor taste. Looking so beautiful.
इतना स्मूथ फ्लेवर
Smooth flavor. You can see.
लेग नहीं दिख रहा है यार
मैंने leg इसी में हाँ ये वही ना that is leg.
ये हमारा
You can see. Wow.
हमारा शेक
That is kitchen, and this is Italian kitchen. Our chef, hello. How are you, chef?
हाय
How are you?
आई एम फाइन
This is Bahubali. His hair stand. Where is Katappa Bahubali?
तू मत देख ये चीज देख ये उसकी है जिसने मेहनत किया बोला काटने में
हाँ मेहनत का फल है.
साला मेहनत कर काटने में
You can see our kitchen.
हम तो बोलते बोलो चिकन काट के देना पहले दूसरी काटेंगे
Hmm. Tandoor.
हाय हाय तब कर रहोगे ना तब डालना है
Italian range. 4 range for Italian here. And this is Italian setup box, masala setup. You can see. This is toast cylinder machine. This is Chinese.
ओए सब इधर